Next we move on to the third problem. Find the general solution of the LDE 6x plus 8y plus 12z equal to 10. So first we find out the GCD value of 6, 8 and 12. That is nothing but 2 only. 6, 8 and 12. It is 2 only. There is no common divisor between 3, 4 and 6. Therefore 2 is the GCD of 6, 8 and 12. Next you have to check whether this 2 is a divisor of 10 or not. Yes, 2 is a divisor of 10. This will implies the given LDE 6x plus 8y plus 12z equal to 10 is solvable and has infinitely many solutions. So the given LDE is in terms of 3 variables. So you have to reduce the given LDE into 2 variables. For that you have to use the logic as 8y plus 12z equal to GCD of 8, 12 into single variable u. The GCD of 8, 12 is 4. Therefore 8y plus 12z can be written as 4 into u. Put this as equation number 1, this one as equation number 2. Substitute equation number 2 in equation 1. Then we will get 6x plus, instead of 8y plus 12z, you have to write 4u. The right side value is 10. Now here a equal to 6, b equal to 4 and c equal to 10. Next you find out the GCD of 6, 4. The GCD value of 6, 4 is 2 only. So then you have to check whether this 2 is a divisor of 10 or not. 2 is a divisor of 10. Therefore 6x plus 4u equal to 10 is solvable. Next, this equation can be written as 4u equal to 10 minus 6x. Then u equal to 10 minus 6x divided by 4. For solving this, I choose the substitution technique. So I consider the x value as 5. So substitute x equal to 5 here. Then we will get 10 minus 6 into 5 by 4. That is 10 minus 30 by 4. That is minus 20 by 4. Will get u equal to minus 5. So when x equal to 5, you will get u as minus 5. So you consider that x not equal to 5 and u not equal to minus 5. Then the general solution is x equal to x naught plus b by d into t, and instead of y here we have u equal to u naught minus a by d into t. From equation number 3, b value is, x naught is here 5 and b value is 4, d as 2, t as, so this is equation number 3, and d as 2, t, that is 5 plus 2t, x equal to 5 plus 2t, and u is equal to u naught is minus 5, a as 6, d as 2 and into t. Therefore minus 5 minus 3t. This is the general solution for equation number 3. Next we find out the general solution for, next we have to find out the general solution for second equation, that is 8y plus 12z equal to 4u. For u, you have to substitute the value as minus 5 minus 3t. Okay, put this as equation number A. Now the GCD of 8 comma 12, already we found that value, that is equal to 4. This GCD value 4 can be written as, in terms of 8 and 12 you have to write, so 4 can be written as 2 into 8 plus minus 1 into 12. So that is 16 minus 12, that is equal to 4. Put this as equation number B. So you have to compare this equation B with A. Instead of so in right side here in A we have 4 into minus 5 minus 3t, but in B we have only 4. For comparing purpose, we have to multiply minus 5 minus 3t on both sides. Multiply minus 5 minus 3t on both sides, you will get 4 into minus 5 minus 3t equal to 2 into minus 5 minus 3t into 8 plus minus 1 into minus 5 minus 3t into 12. So after simplifying we will get minus 10 minus 60 into 8 plus 5 plus 3t into 12. So now comparing, put this as equation number C. Now comparing equation C with equation number A, close up you can get the value of y naught as minus 10 minus 60 and z naught as plus 5 plus 3t. Therefore, the general solution of equation 2 is y equal to y naught plus b by d into t dash and z equal to z naught minus a by d into t dash. So here y naught value is minus 10 minus 60 and b value is in equation number 2, that is 8y plus 12 z equal to 4 into minus 5 minus 3t. Here a equal to 8, b equal to 12 and c equal to 4 into minus 5 minus 3t. Therefore y equal to minus 10 minus 60 into b value is here 12, d value is 4 and into t dash. Therefore after simplifying we will get minus 10 minus 60 plus 3t dash is equal to y. Next, substituting value in z, we will get z equal to 5 plus 3t minus a is here 8, d is 4 into t dash. So after simplifying we will get 5 plus 3t minus 2t dash as z value. Hence the general solution of 1 is x equal to 5 plus 2t, y equal to minus 10 minus 60 plus 3t dash and z as 5 plus 3t minus 2t dash, where t and t dash are arbitrary integers.